Brahma 88 from Blizzard. I like to call it Blizzard or Blizzard. That's a Dairy Queen.
We're here at Mount Norquay skiing early in the morning. The sun's just starting to come out on some hard pack, granular, light snow, groomed, and I am simply amazed at this ski.
Really fun ski, holds really well, doesn't chatter. I think it has a really good waist. I think like 88 is wider than what you would be looking for normally for a piste ski. But when you put it on edge, it really holds. Very forgiving in initiating the turn or ending a turn. Very playful, very fun. Has a little bit of weight to it, but it's okay because it keeps you stable.
The internal debate remains why an 88, because 93 ski pretty well, and why would you ski an 98? Well, I'll tell you why an 88. An 88 is if you're skiing mostly piste skis, but you want something that's a little bit more forgiving. This ski, and I'm going to use what we call in our business a Micah-ism. This is a lovely ski. Did I get it right?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, good. So this is a lovely ski. This ski, after getting on, carving-ish skis, you get on this ski, and you get the immediacy of a carving ski. But that sound effect's important. But what you get is you also get ease of use. You get forgiveness. You get surfiness, carvish, surfy. Anyways, so the Brahma features metal, and you can see it. It's pretty important right under the foot here. And so underfoot, and you got to live the moment. But the idea here is I see 2 layers of aluminum or titanium or some type of metal, some type of non-plastic material under the base. And that really solidifies the ski, allows a sense of light weight at the extremities. So the ski is very swing weight, very, very softish at the tip, but yet when you put it on edge, comes around nicely.
Ski reacts favorably. There's no chatter whatsoever, and it's a 177. And here I am again stating, I'm someone that likes to ski on longer because I'm used to it. But I'm slowly starting to convert to this length of a ski in that it does it so well. I find it's very evenly flexed, and it gives you the feedback you want, and you don't have to be an aggressive skier to be on this.
Yeah, it's nice to ski on something that's wide, but sometimes it can become a little bit more. Skiing something that has a bit more width comes with a little bit more effort. Skiing something that is slightly more narrow is a bit more versatile and a lot easier to put on edge and a lot easier to turn as well.